Look, Hiccup, a lot has happened in the last few years. We're not kids anymore. Everything's changed.
This isn't you, it can't be.
It is now.
No, whatever it is you're going through, we can help. All of us. There's always another way.
When tomorrow comes, I'll be on my own, feeling frightened of the things that I don't know. When tomorrow
Yeah, but she was so sweet, and now she's so... I don't know.
Edgy? What's wrong with that?
I know the road is long, I look up to the sky, and in the dark I found lost hope that I won't fly. And I sing along, I sing along, and I sing along.
Hiccup.
Heather, you're not gonna give up, are you?
Not likely.
I'm stuck in the dark, but you're my flashlight.
She's made it her personal mission to avenge her island and her family.
It's okay. We're friends.
It's a sweet life. Stuck in the dark, but you're my flashlight.
Listen, we have to save her.
You're so sweet. Thank you, Hiccup. You've always been a great friend to me.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
I wouldn't either.
Heather?
He's kind of cute. Hey, Hiccup.
Yes.
Thanks.
Hey, everything's gonna be okay. But you don't have to do this alone.
I don't know. Seems like I'm destined to be alone.
I trust you. We have your back, Heather. You're one of us.
Yeah, you're my flashlight.